As you all know, Ghibli art images are very trendy right now and everyone would want to make them. But you have to face a lot of problems on ChatGPT, and for this you have to take a subscription. And even when you take the subscription, you can only generate limited images. You cannot generate unlimited. But today I have brought a video for you by watching which you can generate unlimited images that too for free, as you can see on the screen. I have generated all that data from this. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to Chrome and go to Grok.com. You will see a screen like this. Click on Attach File. Now you have to go to Upload File and add your photo to upload. So I will add a photo here. After adding, you have to write the prompt here, which is create into this Ghibli-style studio. If you want, you can copy and paste it. I will give it in the description. After this, you have to click on this arrow and send it. Here you have to wait for some time. Your result Ghibli image will come in front of you. You can also save it by clicking on this image. You can see how perfectly it has generated the image. And the best thing is that it is free, and along with it you can generate unlimited as many as you want. So how did you like today's video? Please tell me in the comment. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel for such interesting tricks.